guys. So I am jumping in here. I am at a baseball game with my kiddos, and I know some of y'all had mentioned about not getting emails or anything from me last week. I was a little bit MIA, and I want to jump on here and tell you why. Because It Takes Two Tuesdays did not happen, because you know what? It really does take two. It takes two for a marriage, and it takes two for a family. And I know you guys know that I'm a single mama, and last week was a full week for me. Health stuff. I'm directing a kids camp for my church. Total joy of my summer. And there's just a lot going on, right? Growing my business, being an entrepreneur, homeschooling my 4 children, being a single mom, all the things, right? Providing for my family. And it is not easy to do it alone, right? It takes two. And I thought, you know what a better time. I know I've been telling you guys for months that I am going to be branching out and starting parent-child dates as well, and creating those for you and your children, as well as family adventures and outings. And I thought, what better time to do it than, on the end of a week where I was really focused on my kids, like really focused on disciplining, really focused on intentional time with them, really focused on creating this amazing kids camp for my children and the children in my church, and just what better time to transition, right? And so that's why my Friday Night Lives didn't happen for y'all married couples, and that's why my It Takes Two emails didn't go out and all this stuff. And I thought, we're just gonna jump right into transition. I was thinking about it here. I'm gonna flip the screen really quick. I'm at a baseball game. Let me see if I can flip it. Oh shoot, I can't flip it. Okay, well, we're just gonna show you. We're at a baseball game. The Smokies baseball game. They are the Chicago Cubs farm team here in Knoxville, Tennessee. They have a kids club, so we got free tickets for all the kids for 2 games a month that we get to come to. And then they gave a discount to the parents when they bought their parent tickets. So we get this in the spring, and I committed to my kids, we're gonna go every kids game that they have that we are available to go to, we're gonna go. And it's gonna be like our family thing for the summer. Well, baseball is really like our family thing every summer, because I played softball in college, and I love baseball. So it's kind of the thing that mommy loves that's become the family thing, right? And anyway, so we do this, and it's a commitment. And it's non-negotiable, because I committed to my kids. They reminded me 3 times today, because they saw mommy scrambling and working, and I was like, I have so much to get done. Kids camp is next week. I gotta prep all my business stuff before I go. Gotta pay all bills, like all this stuff, right? It's like I have all this stuff to do. I could have easily said, you know what, guys, I made an executive decision and said, we're not doing it. But I've committed. And so just like I talked to y'all about having like committed date nights, making it happen, having a plan, and sticking to the plan, right? So I'm sticking to the plan. And I was like, no matter what, this is a non-negotiable. This doesn't get pushed, because this is quality time with my kids. And I told them I'm doing this video right now. So we come here to our games, and we have this family time. I'm gonna show you all my kiddos. This is Mercy, say hi. This is Keenan and Noah, say hi guys. Hi. And they have their little face paint, because every game we've kind of like done something different. What did we do last game that was special? What did you guys get to do? Do you remember?
Eat candy.
Eat candy, we bring treats. What else did you get to do? You guys got to go by yourselves and do what across the field with all the other kids?
Run bases.
Run bases!
Yeah, and chase the chicken. Try to catch the chicken.
Chase the chicken! It was so fun. So last game they got to chase the chicken. We have a plan that one of the games we're going to come early so they can participate in like the little contests and things that they do between innings. And what did we do fun this game? What's on your face? What's on your faces?
Face paint.
Who did it?
Our sister Jada.
So their big sissy Jada is an artist, and she's right here.
Hi.
Let's see your face paint. She did face paint on everybody. Where's my face paint, girl? I missed out on the fun. Okay, so she did face paint on everybody. That was like our special thing that we added to this game. And I was telling her what a gift it was because it made it really fun for everybody. It made it really fun. It gave us an opportunity to be a light and to share God's love. Like we even went to the ticket counter and the lady, can you get in here with me? The lady was like, oh my gosh, these sweet kids, blah, 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 and this face paint. And I'm like, oh, my oldest did it. You know, it was such a blessing. She's just such a little giver and loves to serve our family. And it created an opportunity. So something that's really fun is that I want to encourage you guys about parent-child time. So this is kind of a family time. I got Jada. I got Mercy. Where's my Merce? Where's my Keenanaya? Keenanaya. Where's my Noah? Hi. And this is kind of a family deal right now, but I also take out my kids individually and have really intentional connected time with them and create dates just like I do for you guys every month. And I rotate because I have a lot of kids. So like once a month I take one kid out. And I have all these creative ways that I spend time with them individually at home. And then we do stuff as a family. And I wanted to share that with you guys because, you know, as a parent, in a marriage it takes two. As a parent, I believe it really does take two. And I'm thankful that I have the Lord because He is currently my husband at this time. And he's my number one. But we make two together. And but as a parent, connecting with your child individually, it only takes one of you to be intentional. And I say that because each of us has an individual relationship. I have an individual relationship with each one of my kids. And I get to be intentional with each of them. And when I do, our relationship becomes so rock solid when I do that consistently, just like in a marriage. When you are committed to spending time and dating and investing in a loving, connected, joyful way, you just naturally become close. You have a strong foundation. It creates space for you to be able to talk about things like booing in the audience. There's a bunch of people. There's a bunch of like college guys back here that are booing the other team and saying like really antagonistic things. My kids are like, why are they doing that? And I'm like, oh, this is awesome. Like I love being out with my kids because it gives me opportunity to teach them. So I'm like, oh, well, they're, you know, it's not super kind. And I'm like having this conversation with them. They're being playful. Everybody knows it. But like, you know, it is kind of unnecessary. So I'm like, it's like bullying. So then we talk about bullying. Like we just literally had this conversation before I jumped on here. That's actually part of why I jumped on here. Because I was like, we were having fun. We were like jumping into our candy. We were having amazing conversations. And I was like, I should jump on and do a little video to let people know like my heart behind creating these date times. Because it ends up becoming this really holistic experience where you're out and you get to talk about life because life is happening around you. And when you sit at home and you're on your couch and you do nothing and your kids are in front of the screen, woo! Yeah, baby! Our team just got a really good hit. Hey, who's excited? Noah's like in awe. Normally if I wasn't on a video, we would all be like into it together and I'd be getting them into it. We get to have camaraderie. We get to cheer for the same thing. Like, how important is that? It's important to build these moments because they filter into the rest of our life, our family life. When you're in the kitchen and somebody gets an A on a test, the cheering filters into it. So I was thinking of that as I was sitting here because I'm like, wow, I'm having these awesome conversations. We're having a great time. And then, hey, I just had a living example happen where we both get to root for the same thing and cheer together. And I'm going to go back and be present to my kids because this is our time together. But I want to show you guys, like, this is the heartbeat behind what I do. Is being intentional, being creative, being consistent, being committed. and just never giving up on it. And the foundation that it's created in my relationship with my kids is absolutely incredible. Anybody that's met me, anybody that knows my kids, always asks, how are you going through the things you've gone through? And your kids are so well adjusted. They're so fun. They're so full of joy. They're so this and that. And I'm a very, very blessed mama. I'm a very blessed woman. But I've also worked really hard to create this consistent, loving, connected relationship with each of my kids. And I really want to support you guys to do the same. It is my joy to be offering parent-child date nights to you guys. I'm actually going to be doing a series online too in a couple months, and interviewing experts on parenting and giving you guys all kinds of creative tools and ideas, just like I did for your marriage with date nights. But I decided, you know what, before I get that rolling, I want to just start offering you guys these parent-child dates. So if you are interested in finding out more about what that would look like, I would love for you to private message me or leave a comment below letting me know that you are interested, you want to hear more, and I will get back to you with some information. I would love to jump on a call with you. I'd love to offer you a discovery call that I can give you a free creative way to immediately start engaging with your kids. And then I would like to talk to you about offering you my packages for parent-child dates and doing them like a special date, like it could be a special summer date while they're off school, a special before school date to get connected before they jump into a new year, or just a once a month for the whole year. Having a time that I will create for you guys to stay connected. My team's doing really good. I gotta jump back with my kids and stuff, but I love you guys. Private message me or leave a line below because I would love to support you in this. It has been the one thing that I will never let go of in my relationship with my kids is our time together. And anyway, love you guys. And that is why I wasn't around last week, because I was totally engaged with my kids in discipline, in planning their camp, and in school and every other way. So let's connect, and I want to get you guys dating, the whole family. Love you guys.